In this video, I'll show you presentation tools you may not have known about. So let's open up a Google presentation. I can do that quickly from the Omnibar by typing in slides.new. And here's my untitled presentation. But let's say I wanted to use something from the template gallery. So to get to the template gallery, I can click on the slides home page and then click on template gallery, and then down towards the bottom under the Stony Brook University tab is the Far Beyond Stony Brook theme that I imported a couple days ago. So I can click on that to open it, and it makes my own copy of Google Slides but with the Far Beyond imported theme. Now let's spend a few minutes to add some content to this slideshow. So I'm just going to add some content. And then I'll add some titles here so we could recognize the slides and be able to jump around from the titles. Now that we have some content, let's present. So the first thing I want to show you, let me just move my screen down a little bit, is the tools you can use while you're presenting. They'll disappear, but if you hover towards the bottom, you'll see them again. And you can click these arrows to move backwards and forwards. You can click on where it says slide 1 here and jump to the second or third slide. Over here you have a laser pointer, so you can see how cool that is. Next you have closed captioning. If you allow your microphone, it will start typing what you're saying. And then you can have that on top or on the bottom. So now I have it on top, and I can make it larger if I want to. I'm just going to turn it off for right now. Next, there's shortcut keys where you can white out your screen or black out your screen. All you have to do is press B for black and press it again to go back, and then W for white, and then press it again to go back to your presentation. These tools help bring the focus onto you and away from the screen when presenting. Another tool that I like to use is I like to be able to get out of full screen mode so I can see my bookmarks and go to other websites in the same screen. And the way to do that is if you hover and get the tools, you can click on this. This will exit the full screen mode. And then now I'm back here where I can see my tabs. I can open up other tabs to present from. Sometimes you might see your bookmarks bar here and you may not want to show those, so you can click on the 3 dots and then click on bookmarks and show or hide bookmarks. So you can also press Ctrl-Shift-B to hide, open and hide. There is an option for looping. So you can, if you want to, loop your slides and then loop them every second, and then press play. And then now your slides will start looping every second. Okay, I gotta pause that. Take off the loop. And then lastly, what you can do is you can get questions from your audience. They can use their laptop or their mobile device to get those questions. So to turn that on, you will need 2 monitors, one for your presenter screen and one for your slideshow. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to split my screen here. I'm going to put this on one side and I'll put this one on the other side to kind of mimic 2 monitors. And then I can start my questions by clicking on the Start Questions. And then you'll also want to accept questions from anyone so they won't have to sign in to ask questions from their phone or a mobile device. So my audience sees Ask a Question at, and they can put in this URL. I'm going to go ahead and put in that URL from another device and ask a question. So I asked my question. It's from Anonymous. And when I see this while I'm presenting, I can either answer it or I can present the question and let the audience see it and then answer it. When I'm done soliciting questions from my audience, I can hide the question and then I can turn questions from on to off. And that's it. Thank you.